Alright, look who's here today. It's Michael. What's your YouTube name?
historiclift27.
And we're at 24 Greenway Plaza, and we're going to ride the elevators. Don't get fooled by that call button right there. Oh, cool.
You want me to let you push the button?
Yeah. Since you're a visitor here, let's go to 20.
I'll push this one just for the fun of it.
Here we go.
This building has a 13th floor. That's not very common.
I know. This is Michael's first elevator ride at 24 Greenway.
And I love Lexan.
We can take him to the ride if no one's waiting.
Sure.
The lobby? I'm going to sample that chime. Cool.
That's not the electronic, that's the actual
Listen,
bell.
let's listen to the motor. Love the startup. Whoa, I can feel it going down. This is an awesome elevator. These are your fixtures. If no one's waiting, we'll go for one more ride, and after that.
More. But if they're waiting, we better get
Yes, exactly. I'm going to point the camera away from the door because I don't want to get anyone on camera.
Oh, somebody's waiting.
Alright, yeah, let's get off here. I'm going to hold it. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Alright, see, these are your main set of elevators. There it goes, and what'd you think?
Oh, I love these.
So I guess that'll be it.